Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is June 11th, 2021. We are at the end of the week for trading, so we're going to try to make it a great end of the week trading day. I'm going to be going over some of the major levels here on S&P 500. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels she has on the chart. Then I'll be going over gold and also oil for you guys. For those who like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. For those who are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and hop in here to S&P 500. So right now on S&P, we are on the U contract. Finished up the trade on the M yesterday, but I have a resistance sitting at 42.3875. I do think this may go as high as 42.42. But we'll see resistance right now sitting at those 38.75. Support for me is going to come down somewhere around 42.24.75 first. And below that, I may have another level of support right around these 42.06.75s. So we'll see. We'll see if we get all the way down there. Above 38.75, I do have a measured move all the way at 42.48. If we get through those 38s, we probably will see the market try to head up there. So we'll see below 42.06.75, 42.01.25, and then 41.91.50 are my levels. But with that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels that she has on S&P.
All right. Good morning. Yeah, I do have a main support down there at 0925. And then we can see that the market, this was from yesterday, we can see that the market kept making higher highs on a smaller level, on a micro level. First peak being 2025. The support on that 2025 is a micro support, and it's 1450. So it shot past the first micro peak, made a second micro peak at 30. The support on that 30 is 24.25. That's the area for a great long in this market up to the resistance that David had. Broke the 30, went up to make another micro peak at 34.75. Its support level is still down at 24.25. But in between 30 and 34.75, you have a very small micro level, 32.50. You can see that. That's where I took my first long pre-market, carried it up to the resistance on that, which is 38. I was hoping it would go through it, but sometimes it doesn't. It needs to come down and pick up some more buyers to head up to past the main resistance area. And you can see what happens. That double top came right down to 32.50. Also, the neck of that double top, we'll see if the neck can hold it for a further move up. If not, it's coming back down to our support area, either a main support or our micro support there at 24.25. We're bullish. So until it breaks our main support, we're going to be looking for longs. That's my analysis for the day, David. What do you have on oil and gold?
Right, let's get to it. Good job. All right, so for gold, you can see we had a main level sitting here right around 1884.1. We did bounce right off that level. Want to see if this market comes all the way back up to these 1890.7s. Right now, we're a bit bullish, so I mean, bit bearish. Well, we may stall out. Well, we could have stalled out here at 1887.7 as a minor level to try to pull back down into this support. But for me, want to see if we continue to hold these 84s. I may look for a long opportunity back up. If not, I'm going to see if the market can get all the way back up to these 1890.7s and then get a move down from there. Next support underneath 1879.5 and then 1876.9. Resistance above 1890.7 is going to be 97.8 and then 1900.4. We did get all the way up into those 1906.4s during the London session, so that was a good opportunity. But the better opportunity was the short right off that level to come all the way down. So for now, we'll see what happens. Bearish right now, so we want to see if we come down into these 84.1s. If you want to continue that trend trade, look for the level of 1890.7 to see if it continues to hold as resistance. Let's go ahead and move over into oil for you guys. Oil sitting at a level of 70.55. We did get a nice move up from the London session. We pushed all the way, almost all the way up into a measured move of 70.89, and then came down we're now rejecting 70.55 right now. We may get a nice short opportunity to try to pull it down again into support at 69.99. So we'll see if the market does that. If we don't get through 69.99, we could end up seeing the market find that support there pop up. But if we do, we get underneath this level, this could be an opportunity for us to try to see more downside underneath 69.99. But with that, guys, let's go ahead and get into trading these markets this morning.